Hi, hello sa inyo, magandang araw. Narito ulit tayo sa ating mini voice over vlog. We're preparing food for kids orphanage again. And yung i-prepare natin is for dessert is coffee jelly. And their lunch is Shanghai and menudo. So the time around 12 to 1 p.m. Nagpunta na kami sa orphanage for our schedule sa gift giving ng bags and meals.
God bless!
Then, yan, ninakakot ko na yung bag na pambigay sa mga bata. Tapos, nai-ready na din namin siya ni ate ng aking partner, again, for this event. So, nai-ready lang natin, na isosort yung designs ng bag kasi yung kids orphanage is magkakaiba ng age. So, merong daycare, elementary, high school, and may college. So, dito naman sa distribution ng bags, inuna natin yung mga daycares and kinders and elementaries. Then, sumunod yung high school para makapili sila ng design na gusto nila. And also, yung college, since isa or dalawa lang sila, kaya meron nang na-prepare sa kanya na separate bag.
Ayun, nasan yung college? Ito na ako. Ito na kanya.
So then, after ng bag distribution, nag-distribute din tayo ng kanilang lunch for that day. If maalala nyo yung previous vlog natin ng orphanage, is dito din yon sa tahanang mapagkalingan ni Mother Rita. Ito din yung mga kids na binigyan natin ng treats before and meal. So this time is mga school bags naman yung ating binigay sa kanila. Yun yung major gift natin for them for this second coming sa kanilang orphanage. Disclaimer again for this kind of video, we are just sharing these clips and videos of our gift giving just to inspire the other people and also as a receipt and proof from our sponsors because yung mga gift giving po natin is minsan merong mga nagbibigay ng sponsors and sumasagot sila ng mga something na might help for other people and for them to share their extra blessings from our dear Lord. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat!